Have you ever wondered
how to make
the flexi frame? And I'm here to answer that question for you once and for all.
Get 2 small frames. You can also use magnets from a playset. Clear double-sided tape or nano tape. Cut a slightly big piece. Peel it. Stretch it big but not too big, it might tear. A triangle shape so it's easier for you to stick without the tape sticking together. Press it securely. Then make sure it's sealed. Make sure the tape side is facing outside, and make sure both are facing the opposite side. Oh no, it tore. Let's try to stretch the remaining tape. Hey, it worked. Let's try it with something bigger. Thanks for watching. Bye.